Welcome back to Day 1 Spanish, Episode 6 of 20. I'm Carlos. Week 2 begins and the training wheels come off. From today, every sentence is a genuine news pattern.
And I'm Lucia. We start with the biggest story there is, election season.
Today's sentence, real news speed.
Las elecciones son el domingo y las encuestas están muy ajustadas. Slowly. Las elecciones son el domingo y las encuestas están muy ajustadas.
First word. And you already have on it from Thursday's Zion collection. The election.
Las elecciones. Las elecciones.
Your turn. Repeat after Lucia.
Las elecciones. And did you notice? It's plural. English votes in one election. Spanish always votes in the elections. Las elecciones, with the verb to match, son they are.
Even when it's a single election day, the news will never say la elección es, it's always las elecciones son. File it with la gente, words that simply insist on their own number.
Around it, the election kit. To vote. Votar. And the party, el partido.
Remember el partido. It's going to play a trick on us on Friday. Now, when are the elections? On Sunday. Except, Lucia, what happened to the word on?
It doesn't exist. This is today's beautiful rule. Spanish days don't take a preposition. You just say the Sunday. El domingo. Son el domingo.
They are the Sunday. That's the whole grammar of on Sunday. And notice it's son from ser, because an event's date is part of what it is. When something happens, ser. Your turn.
Las elecciones son el domingo. One more present from the days. El lunes means on Monday, but los lunes, plural, means every Monday. One letter turns a date into a habit.
And how's the race? The polls are very close. The polls...
Las encuestas. Las encuestas.
Your turn.
Las encuestas. And close, tight, ajustadas. Hear the agreement working. Las encuestas, feminine and plural, so the adjective wears an A and an S. Están muy ajustadas.
And why están, not son? Because close is how the polls are right now, a temporary state. Next week they might not be. Where and how things are today, Esther. Today's sentence uses both verbs to be doing exactly their own jobs.
My, very, you just learned for free. Repeat the phrase after me. Están muy ajustadas. Están muy ajustadas.
Here's where we started. Slowly first.
Las elecciones son el domingo y las encuestas están muy ajustadas.
The elections are on Sunday, and the polls are very close. Real news speed.
Las elecciones son el domingo y las encuestas están muy ajustadas. Your turn. The whole sentence. Repeat after me. Las elecciones son el domingo y las encuestas están muy ajustadas. Muy bien.
Day 6. Done. Elections that insist on being plural, days that need no on, and both to be verbs working side by side in one real sentence.
The full election kit and all 7 days are on today's lesson sheet, free at linguawire.com/day1 with the 10-minute homework.
8 minutes of listening gets the sentence into your head. 10 minutes of homework keeps it there.
Mañana. Hace 40 grados en el sur.
Tomorrow, the weather, where Spanish stops being and having things and starts making them. It makes 40 degrees in the south. You'll see. Hasta mañana.
Hasta mañana.